Hello guys, I am going to show you how to disable Windows 10 update permanent. First of all, just open run command, then type gpedit.msc. Go to administrative temples, then go window components, then find Windows update here. Let's scroll down. Here is Windows update. Just click configure automatic update, then select disable, apply, then OK. Second method is then run command again, type regedit, then yes. After that, just go on local machine, software, find Microsoft, then find Windows. Here is Windows, and just find Windows NT current version, then here is Windows update folder. Then we will create a new key. First of all, type here no Windows update, N will be on capital, then O, W also will in capital, U will also capital. Then press new date over 32. Type here AU, mean automatic update. Its value will be 0. Okay, done. So thanks for watch my video, friends. I will create next video. Thank you very much.